How to turn off send message sound on Android phone. So maybe you have noticed that when you're sending a message, you can hear a little chime each time you send a message and receive. So I'm going to show you how you can disable it both in Messages and WhatsApp. Let's get started. Firstly, just find and open your Google Messages. Now, in the top right, click your profile icon and access Messages settings. From here, what you're going to do is find the option here, outgoing and incoming message sounds. If you toggle off the switch, you won't be able to hear any sound when you send a message. So you will not hear a sound when you receive a message as well. Now, to do the same for the WhatsApp, just go ahead and find it first. Now, in your chat page, tap the three dots in the top right and also click on Settings. From here, just scroll down a bit till the Notifications. And then just toggle off the switch next to the Conversation Tones. Now it won't play sound for incoming and outgoing messages. Or if you don't want to turn off those features and you want to keep them enabled but still not hear any sound when you send a message, for that you can just tap on Settings, scroll down till Sound and Vibrations, and simply enable mute mode. It will mute everything, including notifications, incoming calls, and so on. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.